Good evening, cadets. Today I would like to explain about empirical formula. Empirical formula represents the simplest relative whole number ratio of atoms of each element present in the molecule of a substance. For example, empirical formula of H2O2 is HO. That means the simplest ratio between H and O is 2:2, that is equal to 1:1. That means it is HO. Formula is H1O1. Similarly, empirical formula of ethane C2H6, the ratio between carbon and hydrogen 2:6, that is 1:3. Therefore, its empirical formula CH3. Empirical formula of benzene C6H6 is CH. Empirical formula of water is H2O is H2O, because the ratio is 2:1. It is simplest ratio. Therefore, empirical formula and molecular formula both are same for H2O. Next, molecular formula. It represents the actual number of atoms of each element present in the molecule of a substance. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. We know about this molecular formula. Next, relation between empirical formula and molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N. Here N represents N is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. Example, and one more important formula is molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. If vapor density is given, from that also we can calculate molecular mass. Example, empirical formula of a molecule is CH and its molecular mass is 78. Find its molecular formula. Here molecular mass is given 78. It is given value in this question. And empirical formula also given. Empirical formula of the molecule is CH. Therefore, you have to calculate empirical formula mass CH, 1 carbon and hydrogen. Carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1, total 13 units. Therefore, N is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. 78 divided by 13, that is equal to 6. Therefore, molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N, that is equal to CH of 6, that is equal to C6H6. Therefore, its molecular formula is C6H6. It is benzene. Percentage of composition of a compound. Percentage of the element is equal to mass of the element divided by mass of compound into 100. That means atomic mass divided by molecular mass into 100. For example, calculate the percentage of composition of calcium nitrate CaNO3 twice. The molecular mass of CaNO3 is calcium 40 and nitrogen, 2 nitrogens, 2 into 14, 6 oxygen atoms, 6 into 16. That is equal to 164. This is molecular mass. Therefore, percentage of calcium is equal to 40. Calcium mass is 40 divided by molecular mass of CaNO3 is 164 into 100. That is 24 percentage. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to 28. Nitrogen, here nitrogen mass 14 into 2, 28 divided by 164 into 100, 17 percentage. Percentage of oxygen 96 divided by 164 into 100, that is equal to 59 percentage. Now we will discuss about how to calculate empirical formula or molecular formula from mass percentage. Till now we discussed about how to calculate mass percentage from molecular mass. Now we have to calculate a molecular formula from mass percentage. Example, calculate the empirical formula for a compound that contains 26.6 percentage of potassium and 35.4 percentage of chromium and 38.1 percentage of oxygen. Here for this we can use one tabular form. Element, here potassium, chromium, oxygen, 3 elements given. Next one is mass percentage already given, potassium 26.6 percentage, chromium 35.4 percentage and oxygen 38.1 percentage. Their atomic masses 39, 52 and 16. Potassium atomic mass 39, chromium atomic mass 52, oxygen atomic mass 16. Now relative number of atoms. Relative number of atoms means mass percentage divided by atomic mass. 26.6 by 39 is equal to 0.6968. 35.4 by 52 is equal to 0.68. 38.1 divided by 16, that is equal to 2.38. Now simplest ratio. In this simplest ratio, whatever you get least number here least number 0.68, here also 0.68. That means among these three the least number is 0.68. Therefore this 0.68 has to be divided by all these three values. That means 0.68 divided by 0.68, 0.68 divided by 0.68, 3.38 divided by 0.68. Then we will get 1, 3.5. Here simplest ratio. This one has to be, you have to make it into whole number. Whole number means if it is multiplied with 2, then it becomes 7. If it is multiplied with 2, the remaining 2 also has to be multiplied with 2. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 3.5 into 2. That is equal to 7. If all these are simple whole number ratios, you need not to multiply with any number. Directly you can take 2, 7 directly. Therefore, the potassium is 2, K2, chromium 2, Cr2, oxygen 7, O7. Therefore, the empirical formula is K2Cr2O7.